Okay, hi Cuxton. How are we all? I hope we're okay. The sun is shining today. I think spring has finally sprung, which is lovely, just in time for the Easter holidays, which is great. We're still waiting for a couple of classes, but I am going to make a start because home time is quickly coming around. So lots to get through today. So we'll start with our normal certificates. So our first certificate goes to Myla in early years, a wonderfully designed collage during a DT session for STEM week. Well done, Myla. Well done to Freddie. Fantastic enthusiasm and engagement in all learning activities. So keep it up, Freddie. Well done. We've got a certificate here for everyone in Oak class for a fantastic nativity performance. You were amazing. Well done to Oak. And well done to Archer for always having beautiful manners. Keep it up, Archer. Let's give the whole of early years a huge round of applause. Well done, early years. Okay, off to year one now. So we have a certificate here for Seb for adding extra detail to his writing by challenging himself to use similes. Wow, Seb, that's quite tricky. Well done to Paige D for aspiring to do her best in maths when ordering numbers. And I know Mrs. Emsley was really impressed with you. Well done to the whole of Elm class for following the school values during Forest School. And I know how much Elm class are enjoying the Forest School at the moment. We have a certificate here for Renee for taking her time and concentrating on her handwriting. Keep it up, Renee. And we have a certificate here for Sophia H for challenging herself with her writing. Well done, Sophia. And a certificate here for the whole of Pine class for exploring resources in the Forest School and creating a rest for Rory. So Rory's been up to an awful lot. Rory's the dinosaur, for those of you that don't know. He's been on lots of adventures. So let's give year one a round of applause. Well done to year one. We have a certificate here for Toby in year two, a fantastic appetising menu for a medieval banquet. I'd love to see what's on that menu, Toby. We have a certificate here for Amelia for bravery shown when recording a video in computing. But I know recording's not for everyone, but well done. We have a certificate here for Josh for using the 5 Bs to become more independent. Lovely to hear. So the 5 Bs are displayed in the classroom to help the children at Cuxton become independent learners. So well done, Josh. And congratulations to Lottie for aspiring to improve her writing to make it even better. Let's give year two a massive round of applause. Well done, year two. Okay, off to year three. So we have a certificate here for Bobby for exploring levers in the making of a snapping crocodile. So it sounds like something you've produced for STEM week, Bobby. Keep it up. Well done to Harry for showing excellent understanding and great reading of books and showing the enjoy value. Well done, Harry. Certificate here for Bo for fantastic lever crocodiles in DT. Sounds like the children have loved STEM week in year three. And a certificate here for Daisy. Fantastic iPad skills, screenshots and helping others airdrop. Daisy, you have to teach me how to do that because I don't know. So you were demonstrating the community value. Well done, Daisy. Let's give year three a huge round of applause. Well done, year three. Off to year four. So we have a certificate here for Connor for always showing kindness and helping in his community. Keep it up, Connor. We need lots of children like you. Well done to Jacob for his enjoyment and enthusiasm in our outdoor art lesson. And it's been lovely to see so many outdoor learning lessons going on in the last few days. Well done to Paige for aspiring to do her best in English. Great vocabulary chosen. Congratulations, Paige. A certificate here for Theo, his increased efforts to participate and work hard in class. Keep it up, Theo. Really, really pleasing to hear. And well done to Miley for aspiring to do her best in every lesson. Wow, Miley, that's rather tricky, but well done. Let's give year four a huge round of applause. Well done, year four. Okay, off to year five. So we have a certificate here for Stanley for continued efforts in maths. So Stanley in Chestnut class. Well done, Stanley. Well done to Valerie for always working hard in all subjects. That doesn't surprise me at all. Every time I see Valerie, she's so conscientious. A big well done to Adrienne for a beautiful sketch for Holy. And I'm so excited to see the whole school display in our corridor all around Holy. And a certificate here for Lancelin for his perseverance with fractions. Well done to Lancelin. Let's give Year 5 a huge round of applause. So off to Year 6. So we have a certificate here for Louis HS for fantastic effort, strategical thinking and teamwork in PE. Wow, Louis, that's impressive. Well done to Lily H for her outstanding thought-provoking artwork aimed at tackling climate change. I'd love to see that work, Lily. A certificate here for Casey for her amazing sewing skills and helpfulness to others in a sewing challenge. Got some very talented children in Year 6. And well done to Ben Kay for his determination to produce a high-quality English narrative. Well done to Ben. Let's give Year 6 a huge round of applause. Well done, Year 6. Okay, we've got our whole school certificates now. So for the tidiest classroom in the infant school, it goes to, drum roll, and stop, Elm class. So Mrs. Martineau was so impressed with Elm class, and I walked in this morning. It was lovely to see your displays as well. They look beautiful. And the tidiest classroom in the junior school goes to, drum roll, it's actually classrooms. Well done to Year 3. So Magnolia again, but this week Cherry tried super hard as well, so keep it up. Okay, our attendance certificates this week. And once again, Cuxton, you've astounded me, with your fantastic attendance all the way across last week. So the best attendance in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, with 99.3% Elm class. Elm class, you're having a wonderful afternoon. And the best attendance in the junior school goes to, drum roll, stop, Willow class with 99.6% as well, which is fantastic. Let's give Willow a huge round of applause. Well done. Okay, off to the golden book now. Lots of names to read out again. So we've got James G for being a scientist in the making. Amazing battery-powered car was produced. Well done to Finley J and Harrison J for both being incredible friends and supporting a member of their class with their learning. Lovely. Well done to Maisie H, Stanley C, Mason D, Natasha C, Summer M, Tammy G, Alfie H for going above and beyond with their learning and their writing last week. Well done to Harry W for his phenomenal use of descriptive writing. Well done to Ted F, Mark DB, Joey D and Leo P for super work comparing numbers. Lily D for encouraging words and supportiveness for her classmates. And Randall W for showing great resilience to get the right answers in his maths learning. Lovely to hear so many of our children this week meeting our school values in the Golden Book. So well done. Okay, I've had some more children come and see me around 100 reads. So I had 2 boys this morning in Year 2. So a huge well done to Tom and a massive well done to Joe, who have read 100 books. No mean feat. So well done to them. And also a big well done to Millie C, who also has achieved 100 home reads. And your names will be displayed on my 100 home reads tree. It's blossoming just at the right time, which is lovely. So I've got some other things to announce today, which is great. So we've got Alex in beach class. Alex is very proud to have received a Blue Peter badge for his bird feeder on Wellness Day. Oh, I'd love to see that, Alex. It's wonderful to hear that you've achieved a Blue Peter badge because of what you produced on Cuxton's Wellness Day. So well done to Alex. I also have the winners of the STEM competition, which took place last week. And each of the winners has a lovely Easter egg sat on my desk. So you need to come and see me sooner rather than later so it doesn't get eaten. So the winner in reception was George S. in Oak for creating a new outfit for a night. Wow, George, I bet it's looking phenomenal. Well done to Nellie W. in Key Stage 1 in Elm for designing a dinosaur t-shirt to be sold in the Natural History Museum. I'm seeing lots of dinosaur themed work going on at the moment in Year 1 because they're thoroughly enjoying their topic. And a big well done to Amelia OB in Cherry class for creating the most amazing invention, an auto ice maker. It stops your ice cream from melting. Oh, I love the sound of that. So well done to the 3 winners of the STEM competition, and please do come and see me at some point to collect your prizes. So well done. Let's give them a round of applause. Okay, we have a music certificate here. And it says this is to certify that Jackson L is awarded the ABRSM Level 1 Award in Music Performance, Grade 2. Grade 2 clarinet performance and passed with merit in 2020. So a huge well done to Jackson for passing his music exam. Well done. Now, last few certificates to go. I have some bronze certificates here for children who have achieved at least 100 zeros. So well done to Louis P, to Finn, to Daisy, to Amelia, to Roman, to Bobby, to Poppy D, to Jack, to Ollie, to Eliza, to Charlotte, to Charlie FS, to Hannah, to Freya, Charlie MC, and Katie. Wow, Year 3 have been busy. Lots of bronze certificates today, and Louis P was in Year 4. So let's give all of those children a huge round of applause. Well done. Okay, now this is the last celebration assembly before the Easter holidays, children. So if I don't get to see you before Thursday, have the most wonderful break. It's well deserved. Hopefully the weather stays nice, especially now we can go in people's gardens, which will just be lovely to have a bit of normality over the next few weeks. So look after yourself, keep safe, and if I don't see you, have the best break. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.